Hi, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Our topic for today is how to roll over FKLI and FCPO contract using spread. So this particular topic, I will assume that you understand exactly what is rollover. I assume that you understand that there are different methods for you to roll over, but one of the methods that today we are going to cover is using spread, which is not a common method for retail traders, but if you cannot understand at the end of the session, don't worry. At any point in time, you can still use the simplest method, which is using outrights to roll over. So without further ado, let's start our topic for today. Now, before I start, please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and on your notification bell. As usual, we need to do a disclaimer. This video is only meant for education purposes only. There's no buy or sell call. Let me use a trading platform to show it to you. How do you exactly roll over using spread? Now, for example, if my current month, I'm having a crude palm oil for February month. So you can see that February, I'm having a net long position. So if I want to renew my contract, I want to push it over to March. How should I use spread to roll over? So rollover meaning to renew my contracts. So let's say, for example, right now already 15th of December, I will need to roll over to March month. So what should I do using spread, and how can I roll over using a spread contract? So in this case, just for your understanding, February month, we are having a long position. So what we need to do is long position, we will need to close the position. So how can we close the position? We will need to sell February and buy March. I repeat, so you just need to remember that we will need to sell February and buy March. So since we are going to sell February and buy March, let us look at these particular quotes. Now, let me close all these. So we are going to look at the spread contract. So in this case, for example, we have February and March spread. Can you see that? So February and March, remember just now our stand is we will need to sell February by March. So we look at the nearest month. So since nearest month is February, if we need to sell, so in this particular spread contract, we will need to sell a spread. So look at the nearest month. If nearest month we need to sell, we will need to sell a spread. If nearest month we will need to buy, we will need to buy a spread. So in this case, we will need to sell a spread. So for example, in this case, it's February, March, one contract at a price difference of 203. If I want to take it immediately, meaning February and March, a difference of 203 points at a difference. So technically for you, when you roll over, it doesn't matter. Not much of difference. So what I need to do is I just need to click sell. So once I click sell, can you see in this case, right? I already short a spread contract for February month, which is February I sell and March I buy. So can you see that from just now net long one in February, right now I already have net position 0 for February month and plus 1 contract for March month. So for you to use spread to roll over is not that difficult, but if you don't understand how do you use spread, it's very difficult for you to understand how do you roll over. But if you do not understand how to use the spread, you can watch back our previous topic about spread trading itself. How do you use spread? What's spread contract? So this comes to the end of our session for today. And thanks for your watching. Please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and on your notification bell. I'm Ting Ting. I'm going to see you in our next video. Bye-bye.